G'day all, welcome to Photography Rides. Today I'm going to try and fix my leaky fork seal. Last week I found out that my left side fork is leaking. So I'm going to try a cheap but very effective way of fixing my fork seal. The most common way for a leaky fork seal is a lot of dust or grime has got up into and underneath the actual seal itself to cause the leak. I was told it works about 80% of the time. So if you didn't blow the fork seal by doing wheelies and dropping it down hard, or just riding very rough and really hitting the suspension, then you really have a good chance of this will work. I got this SealMate off eBay. It only cost $6, nice and cheap. I've seen some people make it out of milk cartons or even soft drink bottles. But for $6 I thought I'll just buy it and give it a go. What you want to do first is take the dust cover off with a screwdriver. Be careful not to scratch the forks, you don't want that. And simply place it between the fork and the seal, slide it up there and move it around, clean it out. Do that a couple of times until you get all the grime out of the fork. Repeat it as many times as you need to get it all clear. And do the same thing to the dust seal, just to make sure you don't put any dust and grime back up into it. I bounced the suspension about 10 times and did that about 5 or 6 times before the oil stopped leaking. You might have to do it more or less, depends on how well it seals up. So that's done and clean, so what we're going to do is put the dust cover back up. Okay, we'll try the fork suspension once again, see if there's any leaks. No, there we go, all good, nice and clean.